How to buy a Chipotle physical gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. We open up Chrome for that, or you can directly go to chipotle.com or the Chipotle app as well, and go over to Chipotle gift card store. Directly search for chipotle.com and search for shop gift cards, and there you will be finding a section where you can buy gift cards for yourself or any other people. So wait for that page to load up first. And once it's loaded up, you may scroll down and we'll be finding three different options: e-gift card, bulk gift cards, and meal gift card. So the middle one is the physical gift card, which we are looking for. So tap on it. And once we do so, we'll be given an option to choose up a card design. Right now we have two designs available. Uh, you can just go and select any of those. And once it is done, you can tap on next once you're okay with the design. Now, once it is done, here we'll be given an option to choose up amount. You can just go over and type in the amount that you would like to pay. And the price may also range from $25 to $100 right now. So you can just go over and type it in, or you can type it in yourself here as well and do so. Once it is done, you need to select how many would you like. So you can select the quantity. So if you'd like to select more than 4 or 5, you can select those. Up to 10, we have the options. You can just go over and do so. And you can even head over and personalize it. You can just go over and select if this is a gift or this is for yourself. And if it's not for yourself, or even if it's for yourself, you need to provide in personal message if you prefer. And you can even add up the recipient email or the name, etc., and even the sender's name, etc. Once it is done, we need to schedule delivery. So for that, we need the address of the recipient and the sender, or only the recipient. So you can just go over and enter it up: their first name, their last name, their phone number, the address line, the city, the state, province, and the postal code as well. And once it is done, you can just go over and tap on add to cart. And even we have a shipping charge available. You can check it out as well before doing so. And add it to cart and confirm the payment. And once it is done, your physical card will be okay. You can just go over and set it over, and you can check out you know, you can check it out within your confirmation email as well, the shipment process and everything. And that now we know how to basically send the physical gift card of Chipotle following up this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.